Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Shift with Anne. I hope you're having a good morning so far. Today, I'm at the bookshelf, and I thought I would do a little bit of a book recommendation video for you. I was looking at this, and I thought, wow, what a strange array of books. And these are all things I've read recently, pretty much. So I just wanted to kind of go through and point out a couple of my favorites and recommend some for you. If you're looking for a new book to read, I got a few here for you. So, well, there's of course the Holy Bible. That's always a good choice. It's got a lot of good information in it, a lot of history. You can't go wrong with that. This, of course, is an excellent book, The 5-Second Rule. It really will propel you into action. I highly recommend that one. Tribe of Mentors. This is an interesting book. I just pick it up every now and then and read oh, my laundry. I'm doing my laundry. Oh, well, I'm just going to leave it in there. So anyways, Tribe of Mentors. I just pick it up and read about somebody. And it's very inspiring and talks a lot about, people who are movers and shakers in the world and how they became that and how they cope with everyday stress. Attached. I love this book. This book really enlightened me about my relationships and how I interact with people in general, especially my romantic relationships, and gives a lot of good insight on how to have a healthier relationship in your life. So I highly recommend that. Attached by Levine and Heller. Here's the autobiography of Margot Fonteyn. She was amazing. I don't know if you guys know who this woman is. She was a dancer. She danced a ballerina who danced well into her 50s. I gotta give her credit for that. That must have hurt. I mean, still on stage in her 50s and gorgeous. What a life. I love reading autobiographies. I think it's super inspirational. I highly recommend that. Let's see if I can pick out one more for you. This little nugget right here, Working with the Law by Raymond Holliwell. You could study this for years. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. There is a program by Mary Morrissey and Bob Proctor that is amazing. You can probably find it online that studies this book, Working with the Law. Highly recommend it. Talks about how to go with the flow of divinity, how to get into what are the laws of nature and how do we work with them instead of against them. Great stuff. If you're looking for a laugh, maybe something by Dr. Dennis Leary. It's funny. I don't think I got all the way through that, but it did entertain me for a period of time. And then here's another one right here, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. The not-so-obvious secret guaranteed to transform your life before 8 a.m. I get up early. I get up at 5:45 because Kevin gets up, my son gets up and goes to school. And so I just go in and I do an hour-long meditation. That's been my thing, meditation. And then I write lists. And then I get on the phone once everyone else is awake. So anyways, there's a few books for you. I hope that helps and inspires you, makes you go out and maybe try a few of these. The Tapping Solution by Nick Ortner. If you've ever done EFT or you've heard of EFT and the Tapping Solution is a good one for, it's a great modality for helping free up some energy in your life. So there you go. There's some book recommendations for you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift with Anne. Make sure you subscribe. See you later.